In this lesson, you're going to learn how to rename and move worksheets. Let's say, for example, in this section, I want to rename this worksheet as Sample A. What I simply need to do is double click it, then rename Sample A. Then press the return key or the enter key. And I have renamed it. If I wanted to rename sheet 10 to Sample B, I can also right click on it, then click rename, then type Sample B, then press the enter key or return key. But what if I wanted to arrange this one in terms of alphabetical? I want Sample A to be here, but Sample B to be here. What I simply need to do is left click on Sample B, then drag it, and you see there's a black arrow indicating where I'm going to drop the Sample B, then drop it. So I've simply moved Sample A worksheet from left to the right hand side after Sample A. That is how you move worksheets. Also, there's another type of how you can move worksheets. Let's say, for example, this one, let's rename it as Sample C. And I need to move it up to here, but I don't want to use the click and drag option. What I can simply do is right click on it, then select the option move or copy. So what Microsoft Excel is going to ask me, where do I want this Sample C to be placed? So I'll say I want it to be placed before sheet 4, so that it can become a worksheet between Sample B and sheet 4. So I'll simply need to select downwards, and I want it to be before sheet 4 because it's going to be it's going to become a worksheet before sheet 4. Is going to become automatically Sample C after Sample B. So once I select that one and click OK, you see it is going to be brought from the left to the right after Sample B. That is how you move worksheets. Also, another way, if you want to duplicate a worksheet with similar information, what I simply need to do is left click on it, and while I'm holding the left click button of the mouse, simply need to press the Control key, and you'll see that that icon has turned into a small plus icon. Then I can drop it to whatever place I want using the black arrow indicator between Sample C and Sample sheet 4. When I drop it, we'll see I've already created a clone of Sample B. That is how you create a duplicate of a similar worksheet if it contains similar information and you want to retain the similar information but just change some of the contents. So in this lesson you've learned how to rename, move, and copy or duplicate a worksheet within the same workbook. See you in the next lesson.